God has designed young ladies in a unique and beautiful way to fill a role that no one else can. Excel is about equipping young ladies to be all that God has called them to be. It all starts with knowing who they are in Christ. We're called to be vibrant, gracious, and exceptional wherever we are. The emphasis of the program is on practical skills, discipleship, and what it means to be strong amidst our femininity, not feeling less because they're female, but feeling excited about the high calling of womanhood. We want to pass on to young ladies what it means to be lovely and feminine. But we want young ladies to know where their giftings are, where their talents are, and to be able to nurture those and use those for His kingdom. When young ladies leave Excel, we want them to walk away equipped and passionate about who God has called them to be.